Many fans are disheartened
Yeah.
after news broke of you leaving Kumkum Bhagya. So, like, just tell us what made you take this decision, why are you leaving the show, and what's next?
So the thing was, I decided to leave the show back in August itself. So there's a thing now that you have to give 6 month notice to leave something. You just cannot tell them that I don't want to be the part of the show anymore, and then you just leave. So I told them in August that this is not happening. I think because um that Ria character was something that initially I did not know it is negative, first of all. So I did not know the whole story, and then gradually I understood that this is something I don't want to do. Like initially when I joined Kumkum Bhagya, I don't wanted to do TV also. So I joined Kumkum because they offered me all the web series. And there were few things that I was not comfortable doing it. So I did not do it. And then they offered me Kumkum Bhagya. Then I cannot keep denying to them, I have to work. And so they don't understand that isko bahut hi zyada, kya kehte hain, she doesn't want to do this, she doesn't want to do that, and people are dying to get this opportunity. So I was like, okay, then let's do it. And later on the set, when I got to know that how Ria character is molding, so I didn't like it because you see, when you come from an MTV family, especially, we have very young crowd. Our fan
Yeah.
base is very young. They are like 14, 15, 16. And my fans are like this age. And I am portraying something which I am not satisfied with, and which I don't think so that I should do it or I should not do it. And then along with that, it's something that Ria would do something, which a normal, regular college going girl wouldn't ever do. Mixing up drugs and making videos and, killing somebody. And I just couldn't relate. And I used to feel so bad, when I used to come home and I used to watch myself on TV, and I'm like, what am I doing? And then gradually I thought maybe, as Ria has two sides, that she's very good with her mother, and she is like that with Prachi. But why is she like that with Prachi? There was no story. She just hates her for some reason, which I never got to know, being Ria. But she just hates her. So I thought that maybe later on they might develop a character with Pragya, and they might bring her the different shade, because throughout they've been telling me it's a gray shade, it's not negative, it's a mixture of both. She's nice also, but I couldn't see nice. I just couldn't, because अगर आपका, चलो आप किसी से प्रॉब्लम है, आपको वो एक पार्ट समझ में आता है, that's a story of Indian television. But then if you been told that there's a other side of yours, that which will be loved by people, and actually जो भी थोड़े बहुत scenes होते थे, people actually loved it a lot. But then there later on, it was nowhere. And I just couldn't relate later on, because it was happening in the loop. कभी मैं ये कर रही हूँ, कभी मैं जहर मिला रही हूँ. I'm talking so badly to my dadis and all. So, I don't know. I know being an actor, I cannot complain about it. But somewhere down the line, it's just the beginning of my acting career. So I'm not a complete actor who would take things very lightly. So I just couldn't take things very lightly, and then I had to take this decision.
So it was like mentally stressful for you.
Yeah, it was very. It was something, like when I used to wake up in the morning to go on set, I should be happy because this is the career that I chose. My parents supported me, and then I love acting so much that, that even in this whole quarantine, I was doing scenes. Whether you take any movie, I was just rehearsing myself, making myself better. But when I used to wake up after every night of the shoot and then next morning, and then there was no, there was no urge of going to the shoot, because I was doing something that I don't like, and which as an actor I was not doing justice to myself. So I don't know, maybe people didn't like it, my fans didn't like it, I know. But sometimes you have to think about yourself because this industry is not going to wait for anybody. You know, it's better to move out from somewhere where it's not satisfying anymore. So yeah, I did it. It was a very tough call. People been telling me that, you know, it's a number one show and why do you want to leave a show like that? Because, you know, people are dying to get a role in such TV shows, especially Balaji. But, you know, you understand when it's very hard to satisfy me. Like, I'm a craver. I need something new every time, something very, you know, bold, something strong character. And Ria, despite of being her, I don't know, after a while, I just couldn't take Ria. I just couldn't take Ria.
But like, do we get to see you? Will you wrap up your character after shoot resumes, or like you are just
No,
done?
actually, if you have seen the show, so there was no appropriate entry, sorry, exit, because there was some. So I was supposed to leave the show in January itself. They requested me to stay for 2 more months. Okay, so that was my notice period extended to 2 more months. So, and in my pipeline, there were 2 more projects that I was going to do, and I had to start shooting for that also. So then the exit they have to show, I don't know how they'll show, but there was no exit like that.
But
Yeah.
before quitting and announcing it, like, did you get to speak to your co-stars also about this?
So I was talking to, like, we all are family there, and I was very close to Shabir, Sriti, Ashlesha. So these guys were the one who was telling me, you know, Shabir was always like, you know, if you have something better in your hand, then always take your decision. But if you think that you're gonna, you know, leave this show and gonna find something else, then I think you should wait. So everybody, like, nobody wanted me to leave the show. Everybody was very disheartened. Why are you leaving the show? Because, you know, forget Ria, but me being there as Naina was so much fun. Like, even today, there was one fan who made this video of the memories video, and I shed tears. I was like, you know, because to be very honest, I requested the makers also to at least do something with the character. It's just very monotonous, and, you know, I'm not feeling it. If so, I've tried to tell them a lot of time, but they keep on telling me, "I will do it, will do it, will do it," and I can't keep on waiting, right? And then along with that, I've been getting a lot of offers while doing the show, and I had to say no to them. There were international Netflix offer, and there was some really crazy offer which was so hard to say no to. And the another reason was this, कि, you know, कि एक तो ये मेरे मन का नहीं हो रहा है, और जो मेरे मन के मेरे पास offers आ रहे हैं वो मैं कर नहीं पा रही हूँ. So it was becoming very frustrating at that particular point of time. So yeah, but everybody told me not to leave. But by the end of the day, it's my own decision. सब अपने प्यार के चक्कर में कहते हैं कि नहीं जा, ये कर. But you have to think about yourself.
I mean, we saw a fighting spirit in you in Splitsvilla. Like, I followed the season very closely. And like, after Splitsvilla, what made you take up a role in TV?
So after Splitsvilla, I did a show called India's Next Superstar.
Yeah.
So that India's Next Superstar, when it was happened right after the India's Next this Splitsvilla, so I didn't have a lot of time in between. So I took that show because that show, to be very honest, I don't wanted to go to INS also. Because Splitsvilla में 1 महीना रहने के बाद मुझे ये पता चल गया था कि मैं एक जगह 1 महीना नहीं रह सकती. But later I got to know, after I signed for INS, I got to know I have to stay there for 3 months. And I was like, oh my God, what to do now? But then eventually things happened there, and so that show didn't work like how it was supposed to work, as it has major people like Mahesh Bhatt and Rohit Shetty, Karan Johar, so Mukesh Chabra. Even after those personalities, that show didn't work so well. We thought, like, being into finale, I thought that after this, we might get work in movies and all. We might not have to do the TV because some people have preferences of TV. I didn't have that because people say you are not a TV material because I don't look like a bahu. That was the thing. It's very hard for you to get into TV when it comes to a Sidi Sadi Ladki because you don't look like one. And like, I did Sita back in INS. I was looking like Sita. That means if you make me do something, I'll look like that. But I cannot keep telling everybody like that, right? So yeah, so that show didn't work very well. And after that show, I was at home for quite some time. Like, it was not something ki show se nikalte we had offers. No, we did not. I think nobody had back from the show. And that time I started doing web series and all. I did Kabir Sadanand's web series. So the things was going so slow that I was not trying to be very picky, because I am somebody who cannot sit at home. I want to keep working. Before Splitsvilla, I was working as a casting director. So for me, there's something keeps happening. Or if it doesn't happen, then I go like कुछ नहीं हो रहा, कुछ नहीं हो रहा, कुछ नहीं हो रहा. So वो है मेरे साथ. तो फिर इन लोगों ने मुझे so Ragri MMS was the one who they offered me. But I was not comfortable with roles and scenes and yeah. So that's why I took Kumkum Bhagya. Then I like कि चलो अब थोड़ा आ रहा है तो let's not say no to work. So yeah.
So you have inhibitions in like bold and intimate scenes?
So I am okay with see, there is always an extent. Now the intimate also has become like, initially it was a kiss. It started with a kiss. And then later it has become a pura love making scene. And now they have sexual scenes. And I am not really comfortable doing that. Like, maybe I'll take time because I think the industry has come to a point where in every web series and mostly in movies, it is something which is there. So I think I have to make up my mind. My mom, so I told her, so when I was not in Mumbai, I was planning to take a career in acting. So I told her कि mom, I'm not going to kiss anybody, huh? ये सब मैं नहीं करूँगी. Then she was like, you better sit home then. What are you? क्या हो तुम? क्यों नहीं करोगी तुम? सारे every actress, when you talk about any celebrity daughter or anybody, everybody is doing it. Who are you? तेरा बाप कौन है? But I like, that's okay, but I will take time. So now अब आके मैं I think किस सीन से शायद से मैं कंफर्टेबल हो जाऊंगी. कंफर्टेबल तो क्या ही होंगी, मतलब मैं कर लूंगी. But I don't know about bed scenes and all that. I have rejected 2 web series because of it. But I don't know what to do.
So it's a mother who was your cheerleader. Karo.
Yeah, no, my mom is a cheerleader in everything. Like when I've gained weight right now because of this lockdown. Now, from a week now, my mother is not feeding me anything. Not even in my chai, she gives me good instead of chini. So my mom has motivated me and she has encouraged me and also pushed me for things that maybe like जो भी अभी जब मुझे शो नहीं छोड़ना था, मतलब शो का जब छोड़ने का सीन था, तो I was very dicey. I was like, Mama, what to do? Because I don't want to even get into bad terms with Balaji also, because I'm a new actor and nobody leaves the show like that. And so she was like, listen, are you happy with it? If you are happy, then there's no point, because what I do, I used to come home and cry in front of her. So she used to get irritated कि मतलब तू वहां से तुझे वो भी करना है और तू घर आके रोती भी है. So ऐसे नहीं चलेगा ना. You have to make your mind strong and do something about it. So yeah, my mom pushes me for things that I get like an inch. If I'm an inch away, she'll push me. Yeah.
So abhi, like after Kumkum Bhagya, like what's your plan? Like will you take up TV or like web series or films? Like what's your
So I had offers before this lockdown happened. So I had offers of I almost signed a movie also, and there was 2 web series, and I was about to start shooting for one of the web series. And then lockdown happened, and now everybody is in so much of loss, and there's so many guidelines, and there were so many things that people are now scared of restarting their work. So I don't know when things are going to start, and because movie business is also, imagine the people, they are getting their movies on Amazon Prime and all. So I think everybody is at the risk. So let's see how it works. I'm open for TV also. It's not that I don't want to do TV. No, I'm done with TV. No, I am okay with TV. अभी तो ये हो गया ना 3 महीने कुछ काम नहीं था, अभी तो मुझे कुछ भी मिले, I'll do it. So yeah, it was never something. It was just something better or something not even better, something different. I just cannot be stuck with one thing for my rest of my life. You know, like I'm going to grow older. I'm not going to get younger. So मेरे पास वो उतना ही टाइम है जितने में मुझे सब कुछ कर लेना है. I can't just stick to one place and spend my life. Money is something that is not very important to me. कि टीवी शो करते रहो इतने सालों तक पैसा आता रहेगा, ये होता रहेगा. That is also not one thing. So for me, it's just like I need to keep exploring. I need to keep doing different characters, different roles, you know.
So TV में if you get another like negative role, like will you take up if you find it interesting? Like absolutely no.
No TV. I will take. See, with TV, what happens? That this negative character. See, if the life of the TV show is for 2 years, you have to every day spend 12 hours with that negative character for 2 years. Okay, and if you are doing it in a movie, so it's a span of time. It's like little 2 months, or in a web series, it's 1 month. So that's okay. एक महीने आप किसी चीज में रहो, that's okay. That's one, different characters. But एक ही चीज आप पूरा मतलब सालों साल वो नहीं कर सकती मैं. Not saying that people who are doing, they are doing wrong, but everybody have their own preferences and choices, I think so. Yeah.
We have a lot of fans asking you to share your Splitsvilla memories and who all you are in touch with now.
My Splitsvilla memory, I think that is, I never thought I'll cherish it now, because Splitsvilla also I don't wanted to do. I was the non-interested woman in that show who did not choose any guy. I didn't choose any guy because I thought अगर मैं choose नहीं करूँगी तो मुझे show से निकाल देंगे. So that's why I didn't choose anybody. But later on, I think Mohit became he was the first friend that happened in Splitsvilla. And there are so many good things that happen. You know, when we sit like everybody, me, Akash, Mohit, Libby, we are still friends. We are very thick that way. So we still talk about it. क्या हम कितने बचकान थे? मतलब why were we even fighting? Like उस time तो ये हो रहा था ना कि people say it's scripted, but I want to tell them it's not scripted. It just वहाँ पे आप 1 महीना जब same चेहरे देखते हो रोज तो आपको गुस्सा आ जाता है. But वो गुस्सा शांत हो गया. जैसे आकाश और मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा दुश्मन थे, हम दोनों को एक दूसरे की शक्ल पसंद नहीं थी शो में. But now look at us, we are like best friends. Who would have thought of that? So I think Splitsvilla has been very, very special to me, because I think my career kick-started from that.
Like you said that your career kick-started with Splitsvilla. Yeah. I mean, show के दौरान भी you get a lot of fan clubs बन जाते हैं उस time, and your personal lives are also under like scrutiny कि आप क्यों कर रहे हो वैसे, क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो and all. And there were a lot of questions on your equation with Basir as well. Like you won the show with him. Yeah. Like if you want to tell fans like what happened after that.
From the beginning of the show itself, me and Basir was very clear that we are just friends. We cared about each other too much. We were friends. मतलब we still are friends. मतलब it was something that we were not in relationship, but we always cared about each other. And if we are partners together, so of course, even if they're best friends, if you're my best friend, then I'm gonna take up everything for you. So it's not that we have to be in a relationship to do that. So me and Basir was always in a friend zone thing. And later on, people said that Basir को छोड़ दिया, Basir ने तुम्हें छोड़ दिया. But हम साथ कब थे? छोड़ा तो तब जाता है ना जब आप साथ होते हो, हम साथ ही नहीं थे। और अभी भी वो उसकी लाइफ है, वो लाइफ में जो कर रहा है, ये मेरी लाइफ है, मैं जो कर रही हूँ। एंड बट वी नेवर पीपल, आई डोंट नो, इवन आफ्टर telling everybody for so many times that we are not in relationship, people don't understand. But we never was in relationship and we are still good friends, we are still in touch. He's in Hyderabad, so itna baat nahi ho pata, but everybody has their lives and they have their own careers, so it's not that we have to be, you know, to show the world we have to be together all the time.
आपके सोशल मीडिया हैंडल में we have seen like many fun pictures of you with Kumkum Bhagya cast. Like you all are very young team, and
Yeah.
Sriti and Shabir playing your mom and dad. Were there
Yeah.
any inhibitions शुरू में? Like how did you break the ice
Oh
with
my
them?
god. So I had a crush on Shabir. Okay. And my mother also had a crush on Shabir. And when my first day on set, एक तो मैं अपनी मम्मी से कहती, मम्मी मैं कैसे करूंगी, मेरे को क्या करूंगी, मैं पागल हो जाऊंगी मम्मी, मेरे से कुछ होगा नहीं मम्मी, ये हो रहा है, वो मेरे पापा कैसे हो सकते हैं यार, मैं पापा कैसे तो फिर वन देयर वाज फर्स्ट सीन एवर, दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट सीन इन कुमकुम भाग्य विद द होल मेहरा फैमिली, शब्बीर, क्या कहते हैं, स्वाति दी, एंड एवरीवन, दादी, यू नो, एवरीवन वाज देयर, आलिया, एवरीवन वाज देयर. And there was one scene where I have to say मेरा gift कहाँ है. I have to be on the top and come down to it. My legs were shivering. My legs were shivering. You have no idea. I've never been so screwed in my life. उस time he's standing right in front of me like here, and I'm like, and I have to call him dad. On the top of that, I have to call him dad. I like, and I'm like, मेरी आवाज नहीं निकल रही है. डायरेक्टर साहब कह रहे क्या हो गया, क्या हो गया? मैं कुछ नहीं पानी, 3-4 बार तो मैंने पानी पिया. देन शब्बीर टोल्ड मी इट्स ओके, अब मैं उधर देखता हूँ, तू इधर देख के बात कर ले. सो ही एक्चुअली फॉर द वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम ही यूज्ड टू क्लोज हिज आईज इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी, क्योंकि मैं उनकी आंखों में देख के मैं लाइंस भूल जाती थी. तो मेरे लिए तो बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट था शब्बीर के साथ काम करना. बट मैं घर आती थी, मम्मी कहती थी ये याद रखो कि वो मेरा भी क्रश है, तो वो अपने उसको भूल जाओ, वो तुम्हारे पापा है. उन्हें पापा की नजरों से देखो. But yeah, it was so much fun shooting for it. Just subtract the character. But as Naina, as everybody, we had so much of fun. We used to, whenever there used to be a breakfast scene, we used to eat all the breakfast already. Then फिर आता था, we used to have samosas. I mean, I think I am going to miss Kumkum Bhagya like no other.
I mean, and how was it working with Sriti?
Sriti is a sweetheart. So me and Sriti didn't have a lot of scenes together. So it was a different family there, and then I used to spend most of the time with Mehra family or Meera or such people, or Alia for that matter. But I think Sriti, for me to call Sriti, I'm glad I didn't have to call her Mama. Because अभी तक वो आया नहीं था, और मैं तो मतलब मम्मा कहाँ से. So it was very difficult also, and Sriti is a lovely girl, and she is just like Pragya. How Pragya is, Sriti is exactly like that. And yeah, we had a beautiful bond. So वही अभी मैंने एक मैसेज किया था ग्रुप में कि guys, I'm gonna miss you all. So she replied, कुमकुम भाग्य छोड़ के कोई नहीं जाता, सब यही रहते हैं, even after they go. So मतलब, so now I have made a family for lifetime. So it's not that कि मैं कभी मिल नहीं पाऊंगी या मुझे मिलना नहीं होगा.
Now, we have seen a lot of photos of you with Ashlesha. Like, if you want to share, like, how did that bond happen between you two?
You know, that bond, we even didn't get to know about this bond because I met her for the first time was at our meeting at Ekta Ma'am's house, and we didn't even speak. Like, we just exchanged names and all. That's it. And I don't know, me and, you know, how Meera and Riya are same like as Ash and me. It's like, it was so genuine. We didn't even have to act. Like, हमारे जब scenes आते थे, हम acting नहीं करते थे. We used to be in that zone. So she's the only one that I have ever shared my, you know, things with somebody is Ashlesha. And she's somebody who cares for me way too much. Like she is so fun. Like we are two very similar girls that way. कि मस्ती करने में और टांग खींचने में and everything. So I think we are very similar and we understand each other. And as she's a senior actor than me, so she has always pampered me as a little sister. So she's lovely. She's the one who has been so sad about me leaving the show. She's like, I'm not liking it. Please talk to somebody and come back and do something about it. And please don't leave us like that. So, but और मैं जब भी वो ऐसे बोलती है ना, मेरे दिमाग में सेकंड थॉट आ जाता है, क्या करूं क्या करूं क्या करूं क्या करूं क्या करूं. फिर मुझे लगता है कि so yeah, Ashlesha, I love her. I love her. Yeah.
When joined the cast of Kumkum Bhagya, आपके साथ बहुत सारे young lot भी cast हुए थे, and Krishna also came from reality show background. So yeah. Was there a comfort level के वो भी reality show से है, you are also from reality show?
Krishna, no, nothing like that, because Krishna himself doesn't consider him as a reality show thing, because he said, "मैं गया और आ गया." So he did not, like, he was just there for one episode. So for me and Krishna, me and Krishna is like, it's weird. It's a very weird chemistry. हम लोग लड़ते रहेंगे, हम लोग मतलब we have lot of love between us. मैं उसकी टांग भी खींचती रहूंगी, वो मेरी टांग खींचता रहेगा, फिर हम कहते हैं कुछ तो है, मतलब there is something that we don't even know. It's care, it's love, it's everything, and there's something. So it's very fishy. It's not fishy, it's very weird. So yeah.
Will you take up reality show like Big Boss इसके बाद?
If they offer me. क्योंकि पहले तो मैं मना कर देती साफ, बट अब मुझे घर पे रहने की आदत हो गई है. तो अब मैं रह सकती हूँ वहाँ पे. Yeah, I don't mind doing Big Boss now. Yeah. और मुझे अब खाना बनाना भी आ गया है.
Lockdown has taught you how to prep up for Big Boss.
See, Big Boss is, I have done Splitsvilla. I have done India's Next Superstar. So almost I know how to survive. I don't know, survive in the show now. Like 4 महीने 3 महीने वो. But ये होता है कि वहाँ पे अब कैमरास लगे हुए हैं. So I don't know, because मेरा गुस्सा है something कि मुझे गलत बात बर्दाश्त नहीं है. You know, कि मुझे कि अगर सब चीज अच्छी चल रही है, ठीक है, गुस्सा भी कर रहे हो, ठीक है, बट गलत नहीं होना चाहिए. लाइक कि गलत बातें, गलत झूठ बातें, ये झूठ से मुझे सख्त नफरत है. तो मुझे बस एक वही एलर्जी है कि अगर वहां पे किसी ने झूठ बोला तो मुझे तांडव चल जाएगा. वरना मुझे खाना बनाना भी आ गया है, झाड़ू पोछा करना भी आ गया है, और मैं डस्टिंग भी कर सकती हूँ, और मैं लोगों को बर्दाश्त भी कर सकती हूँ.
And what about adventure reality shows like खतरों के खिलाड़ी or suppose a dance show?
डांस शो तो नहीं, डांस शो को तो आप साइड में रख दीजिए. मेरे को बहुत सीवियर क्या कहते हैं सर्वाइकल है, तो डांस शो तो मैं नहीं कर सकती. डांस खतरों की मतलब मोर देन बिग बॉस इफ आई वांट टू डू इज खतरों, बिकॉज व्हेन इट कम्स टू टास्क, तो मुझे मेरे अंदर एक चंडी आ जाती है, एक देवी आ जाती है, एक महाकाली आ जाती है, और पता नहीं मुझ में कहाँ से ताकत आ जाती है. And then I just do that task. Even back in Splitsvilla, there were hardly few tasks that I lost. वरना जितने भी strength वाले थे, जो भी थे, because everything in that particular season, a girl has to do everything. Boys were just showpiece. So I think I won almost all the tasks. So yeah, खतरों के खिलाड़ी तो कर सकते हो until they don't get me lizard.
But वो तो है ही, like you'll get animals, reptiles and all those big crawlies, you have to deal with them.
I know, मैं बस अल्तु जलाल तू आई बला को टाल तू, अल्तु जलाल तू आई बला को टाल तू, यही मंत्र पढ़ते रहोगे and I'll do it. So yeah, I'm up for it. I can do any of the Big Boss. अगर होता है तो ठीक है. अभी तो कह रहे शायद से बिग बॉस शुरू होने वाला है, तो पता नहीं.
So yeah, another fan question we have. Say something about your bonding with your behna Mugdha.
Oh my God, you know, whenever we used to get such scenes of hatred and all, हम ये कहते थे कि आइए हम कृष्णा को दे दे, जाके कृष्णा अकेले कर लेगा ये सीन. क्योंकि we don't want it to fight, we don't want it, because in more than like we had so much, मतलब we have so much of love between us that वो जब हम सीन करते थे ना तो वो हमें वो भी नहीं पसंद आता था कि क्या दे देते लिख के, क्यों कर देते ऐसे, क्यों करवा रहे हैं, थोड़ा तो प्यार जताएं. और जब भी अच्छे सीन आते थे कभी कभी कि मैं प्राची की मदद कर रही हूँ, दो सीन वी यूज्ड टू लाइक. So me and Mugda's bonding is very special, and I call her Behna only. I call her offsets, it's Behna only. And yeah, we used to eat bada pav and chai time हमारा ज्यादा साथ में होता था. तो यार, तो मेरा bond इसके साथ बहुत अच्छा है.
I mean, mostly ऐसे negative character play करते करते like fans also like take your character very seriously और ऐसे hate mails, messages भी करते हैं celebrities को. Like, did you face such thing ever?
To be very honest, मुझे भी ऐसा लगता था कि नेगेटिव करने से आपको बहुत हेट कमेंट्स मिलते हैं, आपको लोग पसंद नहीं करते. एंड कुछ लोगों ने मुझे बताया कि ऐसा होता भी है, बट ऑनेस्टली मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ. हमें जो स्टार्टिंग में नई पीढ़ी जब आई थी तो पीपल वाज नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट अस, तो तब उस टाइम मेरे पास हेट कमेंट्स आए थे. लेकिन फॉर माय कैरेक्टर आई नेवर गॉट hatred. Like everybody showed so much of love. Riya, क्या कहते हैं, we love the way you talk, we love the way you dress up. So I did not make that character hateable that way also, because I did not portray it in a manner कि मैं उसे जाल में फंसा दूंगी and all. So I kept it very peppy, you know. I kept it very outgoing, and also people. I don't know, nobody hated me that much. I think even today my fans are texting me कि आपकी वजह से हम शो देख रहे थे, अब आप चल जाओगी, मतलब. So there is love and there is lots of love, and which I am very very glad कि नेगेटिव करने के बावजूद लोगों ने मुझे नापसंद नहीं किया.
और ऐसे लाइक सेलिब्रिटीज, मोस्टली फीमेल सेलिब्रिटीज, ऐसे कुछ भी फोटो या वीडियो डाले, कुछ ना कुछ नेगेटिव या ल्यूड कमेंट्स आ जाते हैं, which we call like trolls. Have you ever faced or like how do you tackle?
So मुझे तो हिप्पोपोटामस कहते हैं, by the way. मैंने जो देखा है तो मुझे हिप्पो आंटी बोलते हैं. But it's okay, yaar. So the thing is, people didn't accept us because they thought that we have replaced Shabbir and Smriti, which is not true. It has been their show and it will be their show forever the time it is going on TV. So we were just the new members, and I expected them to accept us with the same love as any other character they would do, because we are not here to take anybody's place or to replace someone. The new generation, see, even in your personal life things goes ahead, right? आप बच्चे होते हो, बड़े होते हो, आपकी शादी होती है, बच्चे होते हैं, फिर उनके बच्चे आते हैं. So that way also, if a TV show is going for 6 years, so there has to be a generation gap, right? There has to be a loop. So it's a leap. So then I think I found it very kiddish, but that's okay. सबका अपना अपना होता है. But मैं तो बहुत हंसती थी. मैं कहती थी, oh my god, मुझे पतला होना पड़ेगा, लोग मुझे हिप्पो बुला रहे हैं. कोई बात नहीं. क्या हुआ जॉडू, come here. So yeah, the hippo auntie.
In your growing up years, did you face any criticization, like critique comments? कभी ऐसा face किया है?
So I have a dusky skin. So I have been rejected so many times right on my face because of my dusky color. Like they have chosen like a girl who's fair and less talented and who doesn't even know how to act. They choose her over me because she's fair. So I have faced racism, if you want to talk about it, like on topic of my color. Yes, that I have got a lot. And also sometimes because I'm somebody who gains weight a lot, like very easily. So I have a cervical issue. So till the time I work out, I stay fit, and whenever I leave because of my pain, I gain weight. So that also, that moti hai, ye haath kam karo, and I have a fat arms because of my heredity at home. So बोलते हैं, but I think after some point of time आपका काम बोलना चाहिए. लोग तो बोलते रहते हैं. So I have just ignored everybody. कि कोई किसी को नहीं रोक सकता इस इंडस्ट्री में, जिस किस्मत में जितना लिखा होगा वो उसको उतना मिलेगा.
So you have faced racism in the industry,
Yeah, I have.
like
For my
TV में.
yeah, कि जो मेन लीड होती है वो गोरी होती है. ये है लोग की एक मिथ कि जो मेन लीड होगी वो हमें गोरी ही मेन लीड चाहिए, फेयर कलर, ये सुंदर सी. सो या a lot.
So it still exists.
Yeah,
Exists.
very much. Whomsoever says कि ऐसा नहीं होता, ये बहुत बड़ा एक झूठ है. अगर आप उनके सामने एक गोरी लड़की लाके रख दें और एक सांवली लड़की लाके रख दें, they will choose by the end of the day कि तो गोरी लड़की. और बाकी काली जो सांवली लड़कियां होती हैं, या तो उसको बहन बनाया जाता है ज्यादातर, या फिर उसे नेगेटिव रोल दिए जाते हैं. So ये तो है, ये तो है. There was, I tell you one, there was this incident happened with me. So I, before this thing, I tried for this Telugu industry, South industry, and there were, when I went for a meeting. It is a very reputed company. I won't take the name. It's a very reputed company, one of the most known company back in there, and even in India, even in Mumbai. So they told me that your acting is good, your everything is good, and you can also speak. Like, I'm good at learning languages. So बस do one thing, जाके ना ट्यूबलाइट खा लो तो गोरी हो जाओगी. They told me that go eat ट्यूबलाइट. Just because I was dark, so they didn't choose me. कहते हैं तुम्हें कुछ extraordinary करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे काम करने के लिए, ऐसा करो ट्यूबलाइट खा लो. And I was so heartbroken. I cried the river that day. उससे पहले लोग रिजेक्ट करते थे तो ऐसा लगता था कोई बात नहीं, चलो देखते. But that day it was so harsh कि जाके ट्यूबलाइट खा लो. ऐसे मतलब एक तो कोई नॉर्मल इंसान भी किसी को ऐसे नहीं बोलेगा. तो that was something that I really felt that. And yeah, since then I have accepted that color is always going to be one thing that people are going to judge me for.
Naina, it was great talking.
Oh my
to
God.
you.
Yeah.
You got emotional.
Yeah, because this is so unfair. We, by the end of the day, we are all Indians, right? We have this Indian skin tone, but still people run after white skin, and they want every white skin to be there everywhere, and so just sometimes you feel out of place, and it's very difficult to. आप एक बार सुन लोगे, आप हर बार सुनते रहोगे, and even after you become little famous or you become something, or your work has started showing up, still also. So it's a never-ending thing. I think until you make a name big as Deepika or Priyanka, the white skin thing and dark skin thing is going to work.